Greetings, precious family. We thank God for another day. Today we're making Valentine breakfast, pancakes and strawberry hot milk chocolates. I have 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2.5 tablespoon butter, salt, vanilla extract, and baking powder. I have egg here, 1, and I have milk, 1 cup. I'm using half and half, so I'm not adding sugar because it's sweet. And then my hot cutter. Let's cook 3 hot dogs. We add in our dry ingredients: baking powder, salt, add it together. You add your milk, vanilla, your butter, and our egg. Now you add everything together, whisk. So you grease your pan and your heart-shaped cutter, then you put it and you pour your pancake mixture. I have 3 eggs. I'm gonna fry. I add pepper and salt. Mix it a little bit. See the bubble forming up? That means you can flip it over. So you take your cutter off and you flip it over. Hey. Okay, so it's time for our eggs. You place your heart, the cutter, and then you fill in. Fill in here. I'm gonna cover it. So I'm taking the heart off. Then I'm gonna flip it. Well done, eggs. Now our pancake and our eggs, finito. Now we're going to make our chocolate. Yeah, so now we have here strawberries, whipped cream. We have here heavy milk, vanilla extract, white chocolate chip, some sprinkles, and honey, and our milk. The milk I'm using almond milk. I'm strain it. I don't think there's any seeds, but let's see. Stove, I put my strawberry. I add the chocolate chip, white chocolate chip. I add in my heavy cream. Okay, it smells so yummy. It smells so amazing. I put some of the milk to rinse the rest of the strawberry in there. Vanilla and a little bit honey. Yee. So you don't let it boil, let it simmer, then you're done, you're good to go. family, we're done. Breakfast is ready.